Hey, what's up guys? Today we are breaking down one of the most confusing topics in the AI world. The difference between GenAI, AI agent, and Agentic AI. You've seen all these terms flying around, but once you understand how they connect, you realize how fast the future of AI development is changing. So let's vibe into it. Let's begin with GenAI, which stands for Generative AI. Think of GenAI like the creative artist in the AI world. It is designed to create new things like text, code, music, images, even videos. You give it a prompt like, write a short story about a robot who dreams of becoming a musician. And boom, it generates it out. Or maybe you say, design a logo for a tech startup with a golden lion. Tools like DALL-E or Ideogram can do that in seconds. So yeah, GenAI is equal to creator mode on. It is smart, it is creative, but here is the thing. It doesn't act. It just creates based on what you ask. What about AI agents? AI agents are not just sitting there creating, they are doing. They can take goals, make decisions, and use tools to actually perform tasks. For example, imagine you have a research agent. You tell it, find the top 10 AI startups in Africa and summarize their funding. Instead of just guessing, it goes out, searches the web, reads articles, gathers data, and gives you a full report. So this time, the AI is not just writing text. It is thinking, searching, planning, and acting. That is the magic of AI agent. It is a doer, not just a writer. Now, here is where things get really amazing. That is Agentic AI. This is when multiple AI agents work together, like a full digital team. Imagine you say, hey AI, build me a blogging website. Here's what happened behind the scenes. A planner agent maps out the project. A UI agent designs the front end. A backend agent codes the server and database, and an optimizer agent comes in to test and improve the application, fix each other's mistakes, and collaborate just like humans do in a tech company. That is Agentic AI, teamwork between AIs to reach one big goal. So here's a quick summary. Let's make this easy to remember. GenAI is equal to create. AI agent, act. Agentic AI, collaborate. Or in one sentence, GenAI writes the story, an AI agent performs it, and Agentic AI directs the whole movie. And that is the difference, my friends. The AI world is moving fast from creating content to taking action to working together like digital teams. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more vibe coding with AI content, and let's keep building smarter with these amazing tools. Catch you up in the next video. Peace.